At the time of distribution of version 5 of the program, there have been several problems encountered that have not been resolved. The problems are all minor and have no bearing on the financial calculations the program makes. There are several problems known to exist with Microsoft Excel. 1. When using the Excel zoom function, and in particular, zoom out, fonts are sometimes not scaled correctly. As the view is reduced in size, fonts are not reduced in proportion, and this may result in the information not being fully displayed in the cell. 2. Microsoft Excel errors such as divide by zero, not applicable, name, null, number, reference, and value may take precedence over errors generated by the program and may display from time to time. This should normally occur only in conjunction with a program error. 3. The program only uses standard Microsoft TrueType fonts that are normally installed as part of the installation process for Microsoft Office 2007. If these fonts are missing from the user's computer, Excel will substitute a font which in many cases is unsuitable for the purpose and the display may be difficult to read. The fonts installed with more recent versions of Microsoft Office may not include the standard fonts installed with Office 2007. 4. Each time the program is started, a number of internal recalculations are made for security reasons but no changes are made to the spreadsheet. Unfortunately, this signals to Microsoft Excel that a change has been made and therefore the user is always offered the opportunity of saving changes before closing, even if the user has not made any. 5. Variations in resolutions on some computer screens and the wide variety of screen shapes and sizes may cause some Excel objects to display incorrectly. 6. Internal links provided at the top of the data entry screen to facilitate access to sections of the data entry sheet may not seem appropriate in all cases and is dependent on the level of zoom, screen resolution and screen size. There are also several problems that can best be described as user-related. 1. The brightness and contrast on different computer screens may result in color variations from that seen in the help screenshots and video tutorials. 2. The program is distributed to suit a computer screen with a resolution of 1600 by 900 pixels. Any other resolution may cause some distortion of screen objects and may result in the need to vary the amount of zoom to maximize the amount of data visible on the screen. The selected resolution is the equivalent to the 16:9 ratio used on new widescreen monitors and, if an older screen is used, the zoom tool may be needed to achieve the best display. 3. Antivirus and firewall software can sometimes treat this program and any copies thereof as suspicious. Software of this nature will always provide a workaround and it is for the user to be aware of these workarounds and how to apply them for the software they have installed. The startup instructions supplied with the program has a section that should help to overcome this problem. The program has some known problems and limitations. 1. On the data entry sheet the open space or council contributions fee is calculated for investments in Victoria. This calculation is based on the number of titles in the project. The amount calculated may not be appropriate in other states. 2. The program includes data from many external sources and these may change from time to time. New versions of the program will be issued regularly and will incorporate any changes. The most recent version of the program allows a number of these items to be updated from sources available on the Internet. It is the user's responsibility to update these items when appropriate. Users should ensure that old versions are used only for historical reference. The variable data includes stamp duty rates, land tax rates, Australia Post codes, council suburbs and townships, construction costs, website links and foreign exchange rates. 3. On some rare occasions the program will generate an error caused by inappropriate rounding of financial calculations. 4. On some rare occasions the calculation on the what-if sheet that allows the user to calculate a purchase price to achieve a profit will fail. This is an unavoidable error due to a limitation within Excel. Making a small change to any of the cost items in the program should overcome the problem. This is the final training video in the series. I would take this opportunity of wishing you every success in your real estate investing career and I hope this program helps you to achieve your goals.